What up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing, or at least testing out, the light up Bluetooth tower speaker. And this speaker goes for about 50 bucks. And let's get started and see what comes in the box. We have our big knife here, I don't even know if it's clean or dirty, but let me just open it up real quick, like so and like so, and there you go. Now just give me a second. Alright, there you go. There's some foam on top. Oh damn. The speaker itself, I don't know if you guys could see that. Yep. And then we have a charging cable, which is crazy. This thing charges by a USB and a manual, and that's everything that comes in the box, guys. So let's open this up real quick. Oh, it's so shiny. You guys can see. Wow, this is how it looks. Has two drivers right here, and then this is supposed to light up. It also has to charge it right there, aux connection, volume up, volume down, back, play and pause, forward, and the on button on the top. Here's how the back looks like it, and it has a weight to it. It's not too heavy, but it does have some weight to it, which is always good for speakers to have weight. Anyway, look, and it even comes with this little, let me see. Oh well, I don't think my phone's gonna fit like that, but it comes with like a little, like a phone, so you can hold your phone, which is pretty cool, you ask me. Anyway, let's see if it has any power first. Well, actually, let's oh my god, let me open this. Here's the manual, here's the cable. Crazy, you charge it with that. Here's just the manual that tells you how to operate it, and basically do everything. But let's see if it has some power on. Let's see if it has some juice, so we could turn it on. Let's turn it on right here. What? I think we have to hold it. There we go. And we get an indicator. I don't know if you guys noticed that. So now, how would we pair it? Let me see. Let's turn it back off, and then let's turn it back on. And then hold the power button, maybe. No. I guess we just look for it on our phone. So give me a second, guys, real quick. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but it's right here, Sylvania. Oh no, Sylvania SP 137. No, 337 actually. We just hit pair, and there you go, easy peasy. We are now connected, and let's play some uncopyrighted music, because you know how YouTube is. I think that might be the max volume, not too sure. You guys could see the little light bar right here lights up to the music. Wow. Wow, it sounds good, guys. You guys hear that bass? I was not expecting that. Another song. Alright, another song. Wow, guys, well, there you guys have it. The audio is pretty good for the price. Wow, that's you get good bass. You get good bass. You can hear everything. It's pretty loud. It's really loud, actually. I would even argue it's as loud as if I could compare it to my Sony XB30. I would probably say around maybe that range. Maybe less louder than the XB30, but this will fill up a room with music, and the bass is there, the highs is there, and the mids are there. You could hear everything, and for 50 bucks, I mean, why not? Look, I mean, you get the little light up thing right here, you get two speakers, you get controls up here, and then you get a little thing to put your phone on top of that. And it's Bluetooth and wireless, like cable free. I'm not too sure how much I'm not too sure how long the battery might last. I would have to further test that out myself and tell you guys, you know, how much it lasts. But I mean, other than that, I would highly recommend getting this speaker as a gift. I know I should have made this video yesterday, but you know, things happen, and yeah. I mean, if you could still find it, go ahead and buy it and give it to somebody as a gift. Maybe even a late Christmas gift. Well, yeah, guys, that's basically it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give it a like. And like always, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. So peace out. But before that, hold on. But yeah, guys, but before that, happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Gancito's right here chilling, just in case you guys wanted to see him. Oh, you were here chilling. Well, yeah, guys, happy holidays from me and Gancito, and hopefully you guys have a great time today and tomorrow too. I mean, Christmas Eve is today, but I mean, Christmas is tomorrow. Hopefully all your wishes come true. You spend a lot of good time with your family, and yeah, just have a good time. Eat some food, you know, open some presents. But yeah, guys, like I said, I will see you guys on the next video. So peace out. Say bye.